excited. I'm meeting up with some buddies for a meet right now. Oh my god, I haven't seen Red in forever. Look at this guy. No way. Bro, I'm so excited to see this thing out the road. Oh my god, dude. Hold on, bro, I'm getting out. I understand how excited. Bro. Is this like at least TCU tuned and everything?
It's got a boost leak, but it's on the IE5.
Okay, so it's at least driving normal then. Yeah. All right, if you guys haven't seen this channel or this car on the channel, it's gonna be kind of weird because I feel like, you know, I feel like half my subscribers are like BMW people.
It's been a while.
It's been a while, yeah. Because like I started with Volkswagen, but then we went to Beamer, and now most of my subscribers are Beamer people. Bro, this car, yeah, this car is a Tomei, which is like funny as hell because we both decided to do our Tomei. He actually custom that himself, and I can't wait to hear what that sounds like. But can you actually see the turbo?
Yeah.
Can you see how big it is? Damn, bro, I have not seen this thing in forever. I miss this thing so much. IE downpipes. What turbo is it?
Garrett GT 2260.
The problem why he hasn't had it for like 8 months is because it was a manual, and he decided to DSG swap.
Yeah.
And he just had a bunch of problems with the immobilizer and like basically just software coding issues. And now he finally got it on the road. Had to pull some strings, but you know, probably one of the only ones in like America at this point, right?
There's only a couple.
Yeah, only a couple that DSG swap, and they had to go through a bunch of different annoyance.
A2B Motorsports.
Yeah, a lot of just random stuff, but hopefully I'll get you guys some little bit of sound clip. Actually, you know what? If you want to see this on another video, like a in-depth video, hit the like button, comment.
I'll fix the boost leak.
Say that you want to be a Volkswagen boy. Saw in the last video. Actually, that video for some reason went pretty
Because I was in it.
went like actually got pretty good views on that video.
Because I was in it.
But
exactly.
This is her car right here, waiting for AJ and Jello. I don't know, guys. It sounds pretty nice. I think he has a I think he has a resonator, an ultra quiet resonator on it, and the Tomei muffler on it. So it's pretty good. Sounds pretty nice. Really low for a Volkswagen.
Yeah.
Volkswagen sounds like tractors usually, so very nice that sounds like that. That's what I said. That's what I said, bro.
What the fuck?
Lucky boys. Hey, bro, why does a stock turbo beef today need a drag slicks, bro?
Because.
So we got big turbo B58, both of them. The white Supra is a top mount big turbo, and the green one, the 340, is going to be a bottom mount big turbo. This one's a stock turbo in front of me right here. You guys can barely see right now. It's like a red. We also got a big turbo Focus ST. You guys actually see on the channel, but he's done a lot of work and engine build to it. Nigel is a big turbo Volkswagen GTI. Like, it's pretty crazy. Everybody's like pretty fast. And then plus we got Carissa. To the meet right now. See what we got here. Pretty cool M3 there. What happened? Is there why people are leaving? There's too many people over here already? Which one you taking? Which one you taking? Bro, check out how clean this shit is. I guess that place was too popping, so people are coming here. This is a cool spot. I haven't been out here yet. They hosted some meets here, but you guys see this Sacramento Star, like, what do you call it? The city line. Looks really cool. This bridge that goes up. Got drones going up.
It was, and then when I finally switching tuners, it was like, yeah, no, your turbo's out.
Goddamn, so aggressive.
Whoa.
Damn, bro, you're gonna do that. Mr. B this thing. Hola. Finally, he caught up with us. 2 spots, really crazy, huh? 2 spots, crazy. Can't even see you on the camera, dude. Bro, they're over there talking about my car. He went over and popped my hood, man.
Every time I'm driving behind me, I think it's a motorcycle, but no, it's a whole ass car, dude. Bro, every time you're driving behind me, I keep thinking it's a motorcycle, but then nah, it's a fucking car behind me. You know, she's a little sleeper, bro. This is my favorite sleeper.
There's a lot of people coming in, dude. It's been like 20 minutes since I picked up the camera last time, and it's like filling up way more over there, and there's even more people coming this way, bro. It's crazy. Joel's out here freaking gutted, bro. Look. Oh. Look at that. Oh, you're right. Only. Oh! Damn, bro, turbo delete from this angle, bro. I can't see anything.
Yeah, it looks pretty fucking
That's tough, man.
So,
Bro, my channel's seen this so many times. I don't even know why I show it anymore. Okay, click back. There's a carbon, bro. Real carbon, not no wrap.
That's fake.
No.
That's a
You're
wrap.
fake. Your face is fake. Your whole life's fake. Your exhaust is fake.
We're simulation.
Damn, you're soft.
It's a hologram.
Oh! What the fuck is happening?
I have to clean it up.
You should have just told us no, bro. You just said no. I'm not gonna.
No, that's a permanent.
turbo's got here, but it's hella hidden.
It's in there somewhere.
I will,
Drop-in
but
turbo,
I'm still
but it's
tuning,
really
so
big
make
for
sure
a
it's
drop-in
good
turbo, which is pretty cool. M3, bruh. I want my car to look like an M3. I miss. Actually, E92 M3. I want my car to look like that. Can never look like that because I have 4 doors. That's gonna be me, bro. I'm never having kids, but like, I'll pretend to still, you know.
Get the wide body.
Oh,
on bags.
Hey, Type R wheels too, bro. I'm getting touched.
Did you catch the video of me when
I'm getting
you were fucking
touched.
rolling me a video and I'm like,
Yeah. I think I caught it on
He
that
was like
camera.
creeping up on me like this. I look to my right. I'm like,
Jolo, watch out! You have a black guy behind you, bro. Oh shit! You can't see him.
It's called a shadow.
You really can't see him, bro.
It's called a shadow, alright?
New episode of Blacked.
No. Petite Asian.
Petite Asian. I don't know if that's petite, bro. It's big booty Asian. Big booty Filipino.
Big Filipino.
Older Gen WRXs look kind of nice, bro.
Which one? No,
Like the
those
older.
are my favorite ones.
Yeah,
The
hatches.
SEIs, I would get that for a daily.
This is a very clean 300,000 or 300 GT, yeah.
aren't those things weigh like 4,000 pounds?
Nah.
Yeah, actually. Seen this so many times, bro. Boy, don't get in my way.
You literally walked in front of me.
Bro. Hey, bro, if you want to get a wrap like this, what shop do you go to, Jello?
Daggerdick.com.
I helped them.
I guess you don't want customers.
AO Auto Styling.
Hey, how to
AAL.
Yeah, you guys got it right here, bro. Hey, on the styling. It's
Trying to park.
Oh, yeah? Hey, bro, I'm telling you, bro, the wrap I'm getting, crazy. Oh my god, what the fuck?
It's Dan, dude. It's right there.
I'm just gonna film this one. Look, Clarissa, look, it's you. It's you. I need you to sum up this meet in one sentence.
I'm gay.
You could have said anything else. Sum up this meet in one sentence.
Darn.
Outside, we're leaving? We're leaving?
Yeah, so today's weather report, we just wanted to have fun, and these motherfuckers I just want to do hood rat shit with my friends type shit, you know what I mean? What do you have to say about it? That was pretty good. That was pretty good. Who the fuck is that guy? But yeah, today's weather report. It's a nice night. That's a ugly RX-8. But yeah, thanks for coming, guys. Cool. We'll see you later.
So as Isaac pointed out, we got some cops, and it's actually been like, oh, you guys can't see my watch, but it's been like 2 hours or so, so it's actually been a pretty good time. No one did anything crazy. I think they just want us out, which is normal at this point now. Like, it's pretty normal for, like, you know, the car community to get kicked out at this point. I mean, this is not a parking lot, it's a closed road, so it is what it is, you know what I mean? So it is 11:38. That 7-Eleven right there said it was closed. So we're trying to find a 7-Eleven to get our Slurpee. That one said they were closed, but I think that people just went through them so hard today that they're just like, I don't want to work no more. I get it, whatever. We're going to another one, seeing if that one has the 7-Eleven or the slurping machine up. But yeah, it's 11:30 or 11:40 now. And yeah, we're gonna try to, one, take a picture. That's the mission. Take a picture in front of 7-Eleven, and two, we gotta try to actually get a Slurpee. So, bro, I don't even know what the hell is going on right now. But we found a 7-Eleven. Looks like they're open still, but holy shit. Look at this, bro. They open? They actually open? Yeah. Hold it. All right, bro. We're ready. We did it.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Yeah, we got the 7-Eleven.
Let's go, baby.
At like 11:30.
Not even 11:50 at this point, bro.
Oh, let me check the time.
Check the time.
11:41.
11:41, bro.
Slushies.
Slushies. We didn't.
It's still free.
No, it was not. Hey, bro, if I take a picture right here at this 7-Eleven and tag it 7-Eleven, they're gonna come and shut the 7-Eleven down, bro. So I'm gonna do them a service and not take a picture.
Yeah.
All right, bro. If you guys like this video, don't like it. If you dislike the video, like it.
Yeah. We not in the hood, I promise.
Hey, you guys gotta tell Isaac to get on back his YouTube shit, bro. He's being a little bitch lately.
I'm being a little poo-poo, man. I just been busy, you know. But I'm gonna get back on the grind soon, promise.
Yeah, the only reason I'm filming is because I have no job right now. So. Subscribe.